My dear students, all of you are welcome in this literary session of English literature. I'm Dr. Naresh Agrawal going to represent a very beautiful short story. The title of the short story is The Drover's Wife, composed by Henry Lawson, who was an eminent writer and poet from Australia. In the present story, in the beginning, we see the drover's wife. She is very touching, heart touching, impressive lady with vivid images. Her perseverance, her bravery, her humor, her passion, and love for life, for her family. We can find almost all women's fine characteristics on her, but we even do not know her name, which is not given out by the author, for she can be anyone living anywhere in the world. She is indeed the great woman, good mother, and wife. The drover's wife is just a common woman living in the bleak Australian bushes, whose husband is always away from home to work and leaves her alone in the bush with their house to guard and children to take care of. It is well known how the environment is in the lonely Australia bush and how many difficulties and challenges will be faced by a lone woman. Women tend to be vulnerable but will show great courage, valor, bravery in front of any disaster and challenges. So she is a different type of woman. She is not only a woman but fully courage like that of man she possesses in her character. What happened one day when a dangerous venomous snake slips under the house and threatened her for dear children's lives. She puts her four children on top of a table and sacrifices a whole night's sleep to keep watch on the snake. Women tend to be vulnerable, but she shows great courage and bravery in the fight against the snake, which is actually the representative of her enemy. The bush, in a large sense, while waiting for the snake, some of the past incidences flash through her mind one by one. Amazingly, the drover's wife is able to confront challenges single handedly. Every difficult experience that she can remember has taken place in her husband's absence. She has raised their children on her own and constantly protects them from dangers like snake bites and fires. Many people would not be able to handle the incredible loneliness of life in bush. But Robert's wife says she is used to being left alone. She once lived like this for 18 months. She was once young with all her girlish dreams and aspirations, but after her marriage to a drover, she has to suffer from a life of separation and loneliness, and she is left alone with countless fighting against all the harshness in her dull life. She has sacrificed her femininity because her surroundings are not favorable to the development of womanly sentimental side of nature. The only thing she left to feed her womanhood is the young ladies journally, which is reminder of the dreams she had as a girl that never came to be. It is true that life in the bush is tough, but the drover's wife never loses her heart, her keen sense of humor, which constantly saves her from emptiness and bleakness. Harsh life does not reduce her tenderness. Her love for her husband and children is beyond everything Every time her husband returns, the woman is very happy. She usually gets something good to eat and tied up children. The bush woman loves her children above all, but has no time to show it. The children have a very harsh impression of her. Still, in the last sentence, we see proof of her love for them, and she hugs him to her worn out breast and kisses him, and they sit thus together while the sickly daylight breaks over the bush. Why it is sickly light? Because the day was not happy to her, because the previous night she spent in a crisis, in a fear. So the next morning is also dim like day. In the evening, when she stayed up to watch the snake of her house and her children in fear of the biting like what have happened to her relative, all the past harshness flashback in her memory. And all these reminiscences help us get a full awareness of the hardship of the bush life, and what is more important, a much more rounded character. Although the physical description is brief, she is gaunt and sun-browned. All wife shows her strongness. All wives shows their strength, bravery, but beneath her tough exterior, the drover's wife is a sensitive and expressive person actually. When a flood breaks the dam which the woman's husband made, her heart is nearly broken too, for she is afraid how her husband would feel when he comes home and sees the result of years of labor swept away. She cries then. It is not for herself that she cries, but for her husband. She cries again at the collapse of a woodpile that was staked by a native man. She trusted the man and praised him for his fine work, only to discover that he had built and would he follow. She is genuinely hurt by this breach of trust, and tears spring to her eyes. The drover's wife is overcome by emotion again at the end of the story. After the snake has been killed, the battles of her life have worn her out, and in her exhausting condition, she begins to weep. Her eldest son notices her tears and comforts her, saying, and by saying that, "Mother, I would not never go to one blast me if I do." By then, the readers are also deeply moved by such a scene. It is well known that the environment could decide one's character, and Draw Wives is a living example of it. The bleakness and the harshness of life in Australian bush make a girl grow to a strong and brave wife like that of her own, in the form of mother, wife, etc. What is important, the author successfully portrayed such a vivid imagery with the flesh and life. No wonder this piece of work is said to be वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सक्सेसफुल राइटिंग। बहुत ही सुंदर वर्णन किया गया है प्यारे विद्यार्थियों। एक ऐसे पति और पत्नी का वर्णन है जो पति तो कहीं दूर चला जाता है अपनी पत्नी को जंगल झाड़ियों में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया की झाड़ियों में छोड़ करके उसके बच्चों को उसके पास में, और वो बच्चे उस माँ के साथ ही रहते हैं। एक रात एक बार सांप आ गया था तो उस कितना बहादुरी से उस औरत ने अपने बच्चों को बचाया। सारे बच्चों को पहले तो ऊंचे टेबल पे रखा, फिर सारी रात देखती रही कि वो स्नेक किस प्रकार से, कहाँ पर, कैसे उसकी एक्टिविटी को, और अपने बच्चों को बचाया। स्नेक को किस प्रकार से वो हेल्प लेती है और वो किस प्रकार से उसको मारने में सक्सेस होती है। ये कहानी एक बहुत ही सुंदर तरीके से बयान की गई है। हर माँ अपने बच्चे के लिए करती है, पर जैसा इस माँ ने किया है ऐसा बहुत ही रेयर चांस है, क्योंकि बहुत हिम्मत हौसले का काम है एक स्नेक से मुकाबला करना, वो भी बिल्कुल अकेले, जब आदमी भी घर नहीं है। और फिर उसका बच्चा भी ये कहता है, उसका बच्चा देखता है जब उसकी माँ की आंख में आंसू हैं कि, और वादा करता है कि माँ मैं तुम्हें छोड़ के ऐसे और झाड़ियों के अंदर और ऐसे कभी नहीं जाया करूँगा ड्रॉप के ऊपर। तब उसकी माँ का आंखों में और बच्चों के लिए प्यार उमड़ता है। इस प्रकार से बहुत अच्छे एक महिला की कहानी बताने की चेष्टा की है इसके अंदर। जय हिंद, जय भारत।